My car is getting filmed as we speak. It's professional shit right now.
It's Paul Walker.
Super close up.
Paul Walker.
That was a super close up on you. Hey everybody, so we are just going to take a really quick look at an R34 Skyline. He's getting ready to sell it soon, so I want to make sure we at least do a quick walk around, check out the interior, and yeah, let's do it. So this R34 Skyline is probably the most sought after, mainly because of its, you know, the movies and stuff like that. But this one is definitely most sought after. It came with the RB26, just like the other models. These were released in 1999. It was the first year that these were released. So, but they're really sought after. You know, they can go for easily, you know, $70,000. Let's take a look at the inside. So the back seat, you know, not too bad. Overall, pretty basic 90s Nissan interior here. But, uh-oh, what is that, people? Cup holders? But yeah, all pretty basic stuff in this car.
But he doesn't have an arm.
So this is the interior of an R34. Bad. Gauges, but these seats are pretty nice. Bad. There you go. Inside of an R34. Look at the very iconic back end here for the car. What is the what's the trunk look like?
Oh, what?
The trunk.
Like the inside?
Yeah.
No, it's
Pop this trunk. Oh, well, you got a lot of shit in there. This is how big an R34 trunk is. This is really messy, man.
I got a vacuum.
What are you doing back here? Jeez,
Bro.
It's actually smaller than almost mine,
Hey,
I think.
you ready? Watch.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's how he treats. This is how he treats his R34. It's kind of a unique wing, though. See in the back how it just goes straight through. I think this one may be. Yeah, this one's also adjustable like the R34's was. So it's actually a pretty cool wing. Most aggressive part on this car is definitely the front end. Very menacing looking front end.
This is like universal.